Here at Sapphire Family Dentistry, we want to be able to provide quality care to not just a certain group. We want to be able to provide to everyone that need dental care. That's why we chose family care.
I was looking for a dental office that was modern and knowledgeable and approachable, and I felt that the dentists here were personable.
I'm really confident that if somebody else were to give them the same chance, they would experience the same experience that I experienced, which was super smooth procedure, a warming welcome into this dentistry, and a very knowledgeable team here.
Sapphire Family Dentistry, our goal is to be able to provide care from kids at a very young age, and we feel like it's very important for them to learn about their teeth, learn about their oral health, and just build that trust with them.
Dr. Doan, he educated me about my teeth. He said what was going on. He told me what I should do better. Dr. Doan really actually cared about my teeth.
Our team is really important to us because they allow us to kind of focus more on just treating our patient. They know what we want. We have the same visions. We have the same goals.
And at the end of the day, our goal is to make sure that we treat our patient with patient care and patient comfort is our top priority. And we won't be able to do that without our team.
The team members are very informing, and they always are positive towards me, and they're always smiling, which brings a great attitude, and they're very welcoming.
The team members here made me feel really comfortable. They welcomed me here. They made me feel like I didn't need to worry about anything.
So our passion in dentistry is just to make an impact on someone's life, to make a change in their life. Every time we're able to provide something that makes such a huge change to their teeth, you can just see the happiness that they show at the end of the procedure, at the end of the treatment. Each and every day at our practice, we want to make sure that we're doing our best to be able to allow our staff and our doctors to be able to provide this to our patients.